Unboxing time! Today I'm super excited to unbox my brand new V380 Pro CCTV. Let's see what's inside the box, what features it has to offer, and see if it's worth the hype. This would be a new addition to my smart home Pro setup. This is the instruction manual. It's a CCTV and a lamp at the same time. It can be installed to an existing lamp or bulb holder. Home security just got a whole lot smarter. Included in the package is an electrified lamp or bulb holder, a set of Torx screws for mounting the lamp or bulb holder. I installed the CCTV in front of the driveway, and you see that it is functioning as a bulb or lamp and as a CCTV. With this CCTV, you can keep an eye on your yard anytime, anywhere. V380 Pro is a 360-degree panoramic automatic tracking smart CCTV camera. With its 1080p high-density resolution and Wi-Fi ready features, you see its motion tracking capability. Right now, I'm checking out its two-way audio voice real-time intercom, and it's working. Now let me test its motion tracking feature. And as you can see, it's tracking my movement. This time I'm coming from inside the house, and as you can see, it is tracking my movement. So it is working. Now I'm going back inside the house. The camera stays for a few seconds from where it detected me the last time. And then the camera goes back to its guard position. And you can magnify the viewing on your phone screen 10 times. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.